In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. If you wanna adjust alarm clock perfectly for your needs on this SONY, here's how to do it. Don't worry, you don't need any special apps or secret codes. All you need is to find clock app that's already on your SONY and click on it. Now hit alarm at the bottom left corner, and to create a new one, use this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour in select time pop-up and hit OK to create new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now you can customize it however you want to. At the top, you can add label to name it and hit OK to save its new name. To change an hour, click on it, set up a different one and choose OK to save your changes. Now tap on days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And if you want to, click on this plus next to pause alarm to exclude some specific dates. Then hit OK at the bottom right corner. If you want to remove those dates, use the remove button right next to them. Now click on this bell icon here. Tap on Dismiss or download one of those sound platforms if you want to use music from them. And if you do, you will need to click on the chosen one here and log in. To add any song from your smartphone, click on Add New, tap on a song and go back. To pick one of those melodies, just apply the best one by clicking on it. Now click on this icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. And if you want to add your alarm to Google Assistant routine, use plus icon right next to it. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch on or off your alarm, use this switcher right next to it. To make any changes, click on it again and change whatever you want to. To delete it though, use delete option at the bottom left one. Before we finish this video, I wanna show you something most people miss. Click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings in the pop-up. And after scrolling down, adjust all of those options as well, like snooze length. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!